Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change taskbar size in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search WINDHAWK and press enter. Select the first link, select the download option and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on this setup and install it. Select OK. Select a standard installation and select next. Select yes. Select next. Select install. After getting installation done, select the finish option. Select browse for modes. In search, you just need to type taskbar and press enter. Comes up taskbar height and icon size. Select the details option. Select this install option. Select accept risk and install. After getting installing, you just need to select the settings option over here. And this is the default Windows 11 size of the taskbar listed over here. You just need to change the size of the taskbar by your preferences, guys. For example, I'm gonna change it the size of the taskbar. I'm gonna type here in icon size 20 and taskbar height 35 and taskbar button width. Not gonna change that. Select the save changes option. And as you can see, the taskbar size is changed now. You just need to adjust it by your preferences. After that, select save changes option and it will be saved, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.